Next naman tayo, quantitative research versus qualitative research. Ito. We have to identify ano ba yung quantitative. When we say quantitative research, it's collecting and analyzing numerical. Tandaan natin, it's numerical data to identify patterns, make hypotheses, and make generalizations. Mostly kapag quantitative, we use surveys, we use statistics, we use experiments. Kapag naman qualitative, it's focused on exploring experiences, feelings, and meanings ng clients na. Sorry. Yan. It's mainly exploration ng experiences, yung feelings. It's open-ended, no? It's mostly, or it mostly uses focus group discussions, case studies, and kapag qualitative, mas rich, mas descriptive yung data na nakukuha natin. Ito, bigyan natin ng konting dito, comparison and contrast, no? Quantitative to quantify, qualitative, deeper understanding. When it comes to data collection, quantitative, it's systematic. Kapag quali, no, it's flexible and open-ended. Data analysis, statistical. Pag quantitative, thematic or content analysis kapag quali. When it comes to the size or the sample size, kapag quantitative, mas malaki. No? Kapag qualitative, mas konti, pero mas deep or mas depth yung data na nakukuha mo. No? Ask ko lang po, sir, i-upload niyo po ba sa YouTube page niyo po? Yes po, upload po natin ito after the video. After this live. Next naman tayo, for the results, it's structured and objective. Qualitative, it's narrative. Generalizability. Much broad. Yun nga nasabi natin, in-depth kapag qualitative. Kapag emphasis naman, kapag quanti, objective. Kapag qualitative, it's subjective. Yan. Ganyan natin siya i-differentiate between quantitative and qualitative.